Hello, everybody. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this begins our fourth week of virtual learning. Just about halfway there. Just as a reminder that all assignments are due this Sunday night at 9 o'clock. All right, so this week you are going to be finishing the novel Fever 1793. So you're going to read chapters 27 to the end. And just so you guys know, the last chapter is called Epilogue. That is still a chapter, and you find out how the story ends. So please don't skip that. There are no chapter questions this week again. All you need to do is read since we are finishing our essay this week. All right, so for our GMA, we're going to be finishing this out. So remember, we picked a character from Fever and chose 2 to 3 words to describe that character. Last week, I asked you guys to finish the brainstorm, introduction paragraph, and the first body paragraph. So that means this week you're going to be finishing the second half, which means you'll do body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3, and your conclusion. So to access that, you can click here for the assignment, or you can get it in Google Classroom. Something that I want to point out that's at the bottom of this assignment, and this is something else that you will have to do this week. Just get it up. At the bottom, so if you go all the way at the bottom, you'll see copy and paste into GMA. So we do need to put this entire essay into Go My Access, just like we do in class when we're in school. So you should be good with what to do here, but just in case you forget, I gave you guys directions. And I also want you to go back to the boxes above and copy and paste each paragraph in order into this one yellow space down here. Okay, so you should have all 4 or 5 paragraphs in this box. And then once it's all in this box, you're going to copy the whole thing. You're going to go to myaccess.com. You're going to log in, and don't forget the BY dot in front of your login name. And then you'll go to assignments, begin, and paste it in there and submit it. Now, if you are not that good at copying and pasting, or it's just confusing you, I can access these documents and put it in for you to my access. So please reach out to me if you're having a hard time with this. All right, so those are this week's assignments. I did give you guys a sample schedule down here, kind of broke it up for you each day. If you have questions, let me know. And also, if you went ahead last week and finished the whole essay, what I want you to do this week is go back and reread it, look for errors and areas that you can add more. So you might be able to add more examples from the story. You might want to explain in detail one of the examples more. All right. Reach out with any questions, and I hope you have a great week.